Hi there, I'm Andrew Larder from MarketingSharks.com. This is Hot Internet Marketing Products, and the podcast we're looking at today, Mark Hess has a number one selling product, and it's called Mark Hess's Instant Custom GPT System. That's a mouthful, but what it is a template that creates anything you want to create in the software GPT AI kind of field. So let's take a look inside. I'm going to start with the finish because it's $9.88. That's mental. You can just click the link in the podcast description. It'll take you to my site at marketingsharks.com. There's a big box there. You click that and you can grab it for $9.88. You scroll down, there's a bit of information about how it all is. And I'm going to go inside as I'm speaking to you and kind of give you an idea. So it works on a template kind of basis. So you just go in and start filling in little tiny bits of information. So here you go. Create a winning custom GPT idea. Choose a category, add a keyword, topic, pain point, paste an URL, or use a combination. Every input's optional. So you go to this first category, this first little box, and here's your category. You can click that. Here's your keyword, your topic, your niche, your audience, your product type or pain point. You put that word in. That can be it. And then maybe you have a sales page, an affiliate offer, a blog post, a product page, or an URL that you want to put in there. And then it grabs whatever it can get from those things. And you just click on this next little button and it says, generate step one prompt. And you think we're done here. But it's not like that because you're going to continue on. So act as a world-class custom GPT product strategist. This is the prompt that's already created in there to create 3 custom GPT ideas. So you're going to enter your information at the top, right? Just a little bit of a keyword or an idea or a link to a sales page or a blog post. You're going to give it a little bit of information. It's going to create the prompts. And then you're going to take that and you go down and it says paste the idea you picked from step 1, or you can start out with your own idea in the box below. So here, paste in this custom GPT idea. Remember they gave you 3 in the one above. Now you paste 1 in here. And then you scroll down a bit further, it generates the prompt. So act as a GPT product architect, take the idea, the custom GPT idea, turn it into a clear product outline. And away you go. So what is that doing? It's creating the outline. Now you paste the outline in step 3, and this is going to get you the finished custom GPT. So using the custom GPT product outline, write the title, description, instructions needed for the configure screen. Next one down, and I'm going to let you go through this because there's much more than this. There's about 10 prompts in a row. Am I wrong about that? I thought there was. They go to 7. Okay, so and actually there's different ones after that. And so that once you've done all that to create it, so they use 6 different prompts there to create the product. And they're not just going to leave you with the product. This is sell a custom GPT business. So prompt 1, after you've created everything, then they start with new prompts. You'll see all this at the page. So click the link in the podcast description, come to my site, click the product box, you're at this page. Scroll down just a little bit and you're looking through how the software actually looks. It's a pretty long template, but really you're just going to put a link or a piece in the middle and click go. And then you're going to copy and paste that's created by that and put it in the next box and click go. And you can see how that works. It's going to do all the work. You're just prompting it to start out. So then once you've got the actual GPT product, the software that does a little thing. So, I'm trying to come up with an idea. Let's do something dumb, like making an email. So it creates you a promotional email. So here, so obviously you can come up with any of millions of different ideas and put it in the idea part at the beginning. I just grabbed the first thing. So boom, you've got a GPT that you put in blah, 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 and it spits out your email to send to people about promoting it. So here, this is now, once you've done that, then prompt 1, create the software box. Prompt 2, create a detailed description. You can see that it's creating not just the prompt 3, create sales copy. Prompt 4, create Facebook and Instagram promotional graphics. Prompt 5, create emails. I guess that's kind of self-explanatory because I just happen to pick something that made create emails, but it's doing promotional emails for you already. Great social posts, great 1,500 word SEO blog post. So it's going to create the product, and then it's going to create the material to sell the product, including the product box and everything like that. Again, $9.88. So click the link in the podcast description, come to my site, click the product box, and you can grab it for $9.88. It's the hottest thing going today. Mark Hess just does this. He takes small problems and makes an exact piece of software that fixes that. And this is taking advantage of the GPT kind of thing. He's already done some particular custom GPT software, so he knows what he's doing. And this creates other custom GPT software. It's the product that makes the products, and you're going to be able to sell them. He's already made $150,000 from selling custom GPTs, and you'll be able to do the same thing for $10, $9.88. So click the link and go check it out. I'm Andrew Larder from marketingsharks.com. This is Mark Hess's instant custom GPT system. Enjoy.